of the big things for Gen XY people today, and this was taught many years ago, is to learn the pay yourself first rule. And if you think about this, you're actually an employee in your company because your company is a household financial business. And as an employee of the company, you're the first one that should get paid before the rent, before the phone, before those disposable expenses like entertainment. Normally, the rough rule of thumb is that you should get paid around 10%, and that's a great place to start. And if you can't do 10, at least start at 5 and say every paycheck 5% is going to go to me. Now what does me mean? Me might be building a cash reserve. It might mean saving for that first home. It might mean putting away for your kids' education. But the successful people in life that have built themselves financially always have the pay yourself rule first in place.
Hello, I'm Kyle Lewis.
And I'm Ted Jenkin.
We want to welcome you to Oxygen Financial and thank you for taking a moment to stop by and check out our information.
We look forward to helping you breathe easier about your financial future and helping you achieve independence, purpose, and freedom in your financial life.
Thanks again. We look forward to talking to you soon.